little video showing. Actually, I don't know what I was gonna do, but might as well show this. Castlevania Amiga. I don't know. I always said it would run. It ran perfect on the existing core. Everybody always said it wouldn't run, but I don't know. No issues. Alright, so here's what I did. You gotta enter the quick menu. Go to options. Set CPU speed to -60. -90 will make it run like super fast. -60 with frame skip 2. Seems to get everything dialed in just right. That's it. Nothing else needs to be touched. The core I'm using is Commodore Amiga KMP-UAE Xtreme. Get into this game. When you enter the quick menu and then come out of it, you actually lose controls. You actually got to go back in. Now, when you can hit start, throw it in windowed, full screen, hit X, start game. Like I said, I can throw it in minus. Whatchamacallit. I usually get hit there. Yeah. Got me, damn it. I noticed too. There was something when I was getting hit in my older videos where it would glitch out. It wouldn't. He would like go invisible. The sprite for him getting hit was glitching out for some reason. I usually go up there. But anyway, yeah. I don't know if a different ROM fixed it or just adding the right settings, whatever. Oh. I like you can jump on and off stairs. No issues. Jump backwards. Whatever. Shit, I got hit by both of them guys. If you want to run it even faster, throw it in -90, but it speeds up the music too. I think this is dialed in just right. I played all the way through this, no issues. I think it's the first time I ever beat it. The Messin core, the HD packs work for that. Both versions work, but it's a little choppy. I can't get it dialed in full speed yet, so I don't know what's up. Hopefully he updates the core. The Scum VM core was just updated again a couple days ago, so give it some access. It didn't suck.